Thinking about what's mine, nothing to deny.
Hi guys, this is a very new video for me today. I am bringing beauty to my channel, hence the bare face. I'm absolutely nutty. I feel so naked right now. But I wanted to, many of you don't know, but my channel started off as beauty. I am obsessed with makeup. As you can tell, I look very different with and without makeup. I love experimenting just like I do with fashion. And then I was hit with acne, so I just didn't feel very comfortable doing it. But now I'm hopefully have a clearer face. So yeah, I have today some new in products from B Cosmetics, which is the Superdrug own line. So I thought, I haven't got a full face, but I've got most of the face, so I thought I'd try out some of the products. So yeah, without me rambling on much more, I am gonna get straight on into it. So firstly, I'm going to use the Priming Souffle, which is like a mattifying primer, which I'm just going to put on my nose. Because, you know, that's the shiny area. I'm also going to put it along my T-zone. And also around my mouth like this. So basically, all the bits that I don't want to be shiny. Then I'm going to take the Sheer Liquid Illuminator, which does, ooh! And just put it in the places where I want it to be shiny. So all on my eyes, around my cheeks, underneath my eyes, basically anywhere that's not the T-zone. So I feel like now I have a really nice base to then go put foundation on. I actually haven't got the Superdrug foundation, so I'm gonna use my favorite, the Giorgio Armani Lasting Silk UV foundation. And then I'm just gonna rub it in gently with a Real Techniques brush. These are my favorite brushes for the foundation. I can already see a massive difference because my nose just doesn't seem shiny at all, which is really good. Next, I'm going to use the Rimmel Insta Duo Stick, and I actually just used the contour end. Then I'm just going to whack out my Real Techniques brush and blend in. I'm ruining this headband. Ignore my contour face. Then I'm just going to take Hoola Bronzer. I'm actually really new to Hoola Bronzer, but I'm massively converted. It's such a good bronzer. And I'm just going to go over the contour a very tiny bit. And as always, not forgetting the neck and around my temples and my forehead. Next up, I'm going to take the Sculpt and Highlight and just go over the contour very, very lightly to create a more defined like cheekbone. So next up, I'm going to use the Estee Lauder Double Wear Brush and Glow BB Highlighter. That's a mouthful, but if you watch my vlogs, you'll know how much I love this product. It's a game changer. It's one of the only concealers that I think doesn't crease underneath my eyes, and I'm 30 now, so I have to keep an eye on those wrinkles. So let's begin. What I do, I just create a triangle underneath my eye, down the center of my nose, Cupid's bow, and on the chin, and just a V in between my eyebrows. Then take a damp beauty blender, and don't forget it has to be damp, and then dab it off with a towel, otherwise it just won't work. But this is a game changer. I love these little micro beauty blenders. All I'm going to do is just blend it in.
Nothing to deny. Who's that other guy? Are you wasting my time? All these crazy fears that ends with bloody.
And then I'm going to take the Giorgio Armani loose powder and just set it very, very lightly. We're not baking, but I'm just going to very lightly do it. Now I'm actually going to go back and use the contour kit for the eyeshadow. I love doing this. It just is a time saver. Just to colour in the corners of my eye. And then just going to take the pigment and put it over the creases of my eye. This has really good shimmer in it and really nice colours actually as well. Really nice for summer. And then I'm going to go over with the brush. First up, coat number 1, I go on very, very lightly with an old mascara. Then I'm just going to use the Rimmel Scandalized Precision Micro Eyeliner. It's my favourite, really simple to use.
Thinking about what's mine, nothing to deny. Who's that other guy? Are you wasting my time?
Then I'm actually going to go in with the brow kit that I have, just because it's the right colour, dark brown. So whilst my eyelashes and my eyeliner dry, I'm just going to go in and do my eyebrows. I've just brushed them out with a spoolie, or a lid head in my case. So I'm going to take the brow contour kit and take the wax to just hold my eyebrows in place. This product is really good if you have straight eyebrows and the odd curly one. It just really holds them in place. So I'm just going to take the lighter colour, because that's what colour my eyebrows are, and just fill in the gaps. Obviously, if you want a darker brow, do go in with the darker colour. And remember girls, eyebrows aren't twins, they're siblings. And to finish off the brows, I'm just going to go in with the highlighter underneath just to really define the arch of the brow.
Thinking about what's mine, nothing to deny. Who's that other guy? Are you wasting my time?
Now I'm just going to go in with this pink blush on the apples of my cheeks. I love a good little blusher. Then I'm going to go back in with the highlight and just brush the top of my cheeks. I'm actually going to go in with a little bit of the pigment on top of my cheeks to create a really shimmery effect. I love a good strong highlight. Then I'm going to take my Estee Lauder Double Wear Black Eyeliner. I love this, it stays all day. And just go over my waterline. I'm going to go right into the corners of my eye as well. Now what I'm going to do, which is a nifty trick of mine, which really opens up your eyes, I'm just going to put a dot right underneath my pupil. Now for my bottom eyelashes, one of my favourite parts of makeup.
Thinking about what's mine, nothing to deny.
With the bottom eyelash, I always start off really light and then just keep on building. Now I'm just going to wipe off all the excess from my lips, because this is my favourite part. I love big lips. So I'm going to take my trusted lip liner in the colour Spice from Rimmel, my favourite.
Thinking about what's mine, nothing to deny. Who's that other guy? Are you wasting my time?
Now I'm going to choose one of these ones to put on my lip. I don't want a vivid lip, so I might use like a brush just to do it faintly. And I think I'm going to go for this colour. I love a peachy coral. This is the shade Raucous. So I'm going to use my iconic brush just to brush on lightly the colour. Then I'm going to finish off the look with a bit of Pixie lip gloss just over the top. And there you have it, the finished look of mostly B Cosmetics. I really recommend them. My favourite product has to be the Souffle and the Sheer Liquid Illuminator. I love these products. These were my favourite, especially the Souffle, because I feel like my nose is always shiny and it's really counteracted that majorly, so I wouldn't have to keep powdering it all day. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you want me to test out any other products from any other brands or any other looks, let me know, because I want to do lots more beauty on this channel, and I hope you enjoyed it. And if you're interested in any of the products, they will all be linked in the description box below, and I'll see you soon for another video.
Thinking about what's mine, nothing to deny. Who's that other guy? Are you